Hi and welcome to the Python Crash Course. I'm sure when you clicked on this video you knew exactly what you wanted to do, learn the fundamentals of Python. This series is for absolute beginners, so you don't need any prerequisite knowledge. If your goal is to use Python to do machine learning, automation, software development, games development, this series is for you. If you're completely new to Python and you don't know what it is or why you should learn it, you can just watch the What is Python video that I already made. The link will be up there in the corner. Before you can use Python, you need to have it. The first thing we're going to do is install Python on our computers and the code editor. So the first thing we're going to do is go to this website, python.org. This is the official Python website where we can download the latest version of Python. And as you can see, the latest version, as I'm recording this video in 2022, is Python 3.10. The operating system I use is Windows 10. Let's just go to this download button here. You can download Python for different operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Mac, and others. I'm currently using a Windows system, so I'll just download for the Windows. We're just going to wait for this to finish loading and open. I've already installed Python previously, but let me just show you how it'll look. So we get this pop-up screen. So it now gives me the option to upgrade. I don't want to upgrade, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. But once you get the pop-up, just continue, and agree to the licenses. And after installing Python, we're just going to Google Visual Studio Code and install the latest version. So we could just go straight to download. And like I said, I'm using the Windows system, so I just click this. But if you're using Linux or Mac, you can use these links. I just go with the system installer with whatever the bit of your system is. After you've finished installing Visual Studios, you can open it and you'll get a welcome page like this. I would recommend that you just go through the little walkthrough for Python development. I'm just going to show you some of the extensions that I have that make editing with Python in Visual Studios easier for me. So this is the little extensions bar. When you first open Visual Studios, it'll be very clean cut, there'll be nothing inside. So I just installed this Atom 1 dark theme because it seems to be very popular with everybody else. And I've gone through the other themes, I didn't really like them. So I have this extension also called Indent Rainbow, so that as you're indenting, it shows a rainbow so it's easier to visualize where your levels of code are. Another extension that I have, this is like very important. This is a Python extension that you'll get to support the Python language. It has IntelliSense, which makes it easier for you when coding. It'll give you little hints and tips along the way. I also have Pylance. I don't really know how often I use it, but this is another extension that I have here that makes coding in Python easier in VSCode. My last recommendation will be the VSCode icons, so that as you're creating certain files and folders, it will have icons to make it easier to recognize for you.